Okay, so in this video we'll see how we can group items in a list by a certain key. So we will be using dictionary to group items in a list by a certain key. So let me create my list equals to, so I have a list which is having dictionaries. So let's say I have name something, and then I have age, again some number, and then I have, let's say, city. Okay, so again city be something. Okay, now I will be creating that. I'll just copy that multiple time. Yeah, so now we have a name, let's say John. I have Jane. I have Bob. Let's say I have 25, 30, 35. City, let's say I have New York, and this is New York, and let's say it's Chicago. Okay, so these are my list. Now I want to group by city, and I'll create an empty dictionary. Okay, and then I should have discussed the iterable. So I think we already know that how to iterate a list, right? So item in my list, and then if item city in grouped by city, if it is there, then what we'll do, group by city item, and I want it to be city dot append item, else group by city okay, so we'll copy that same equals to item, and then by end of it we'll see group by city. So you see here what I did, whoever belongs to New York, I have actually filter out that information from city wise. So that's all for this video. See you in another video.